Alright guys, I'm going to show you how I make my meatloaf. And today with the meatloaf, we're also going to be doing sweet potatoes. So we're not doing a traditional meatloaf kind of meal today. Which is okay. There we go. All right, so hamburger. In the bowl. Soy sauce is not going in. Onions. Start breaking it up. Okay. All right. 1 egg. Lipton soup mix. There's that. And this, normally I would use Italian breadcrumbs or just breadcrumbs, but because I don't have that particular item in the house, we're going to use the plain dough, which is basically the same thing. It's just bigger. All right, cameraman can open up the soy sauce there. All right, go ahead. Keep going. All right, that's good. That was basically about a quarter, not quite a quarter of a cup. All right, just mix it all in. I may have to add some more of the plank dough here in a minute. It's cold. Hold on here. That should do it. Basically what it comes down to, depending on how much hamburger, this is a little over a pound. Usually between a half a cup to a cup of breadcrumbs. And that's just basically there to give it seasoning, flavor, and to kind of hold it all together. All right. And yes, before anyone asked, my hands were washed. Sorry, didn't put that part in. All right. Give me a little bit more room here. There we go. And now we're just gonna pat it into the pan. Does it need to look absolutely pretty? No, it's meatloaf. But I try. And I think with this particular hamburger, it doesn't shrink up that much. So this could wind up being 2 meals for me and cameraman. Alright. Let that start getting hot. Away with that, away with this. That's gonna go with that. And then I'll do sweet potatoes now to get the butter out. Alright, let's wash these bad boys down. Alrighty, there's that one. Alright, now with sweet potatoes, you can do it however your little heart desires. BB is going to kind of cheat today. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right. There we go. All right. So this is what we're gonna do today. Like I said, BB's cheating. All right. Really? Thank you. Okay, da-da-da-da-da-da. Here we go. A little dab will do ya. That's enough butter. Well, for crying out loud, stay on there. All right, I'm gonna grab some aluminum foil. We're gonna wrap this. Once the oven gets to 350, they're both going in at the same time. No, you do not add water to this. It will cook because sweet potatoes are full of water. That's got to go in the bowl. All right. Here we go. Now it's ready to go into the oven. "60 minutes. There we go. Check on it. Check back in 60 minutes. Doodles. Oh, it's got nuts in it. Then we're going to do this. You need to check it and make sure it is cooked all the way through. Believe it is. Yes, it is. Sweet potatoes can go back in for about 20 more minutes. Okay. Now to give that time to cool off. Hot. All right, in half, like we did the other packages of hamburger, and then that would make enough for one meal, but I got a feeling that's going to be two. I mean, it's great if you want leftovers, you know. Well. All right, so there's that. To the table. Coconut water, tongue. There we go, 20 minutes. Voila. Now they're done. Okay. Salad. After I do the avocado. This is the first avocado we have bought in a store of the Simmons that we could actually eat in a very, very long time. So where it just did not rot. So, probably go in the compost bin. Yeah, because that avocado is huge. I wasn't quite expecting it to be quite that meaty. Because there is a lot here. All right, my guy. Oh, I gotta get out the cinnamon. Your potato. There's mine. I'm gonna throw some butter on it. Hot, 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 hot. Duh. Just took it out of the oven. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. You want butter on your sweet potatoes? Yeah. Okay. Get it off the knife, sure. Now Baby's gonna put some cinnamon on my sweet potato. And there you have it. So until the next video, everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.